Hey everyone! Welcome back to our channel, where we discuss all things crypto and help you navigate the exciting world of investments. Today, we have an amazing topic lined up for you. How to make money with crypto investments. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced investor, this video will provide valuable insights and strategies. So, let's dive right in. First, understanding the basics. Before we jump into the strategies, it's important to have a solid foundation. Let's quickly cover the basics of cryptocurrency investments. What is cryptocurrency? How do cryptocurrencies work? Different types of cryptocurrencies. Benefits and risks of investing in crypto. Research and education. Knowledge is power when it comes to investing in cryptocurrencies. Let's explore how you can educate yourself and conduct thorough research before making any investment decisions. Next, follow reputable sources and influencers. Stay updated with news and trends. Understand blockchain technology, analyze market data and charts. Next, creating an investment strategy. Now that you have the necessary knowledge, it's time to create a solid investment strategy. Let's discuss some key points to consider. Set clear investment goals. Diversify your portfolio. Decide between long-term and short-term investments. Risk management and setting stop-loss orders. Next, fundamental analysis. Fundamental analysis helps you evaluate the intrinsic value of a cryptocurrency. Let's explore some key factors to consider during this analysis. Understand the project and its team. Evaluate the technology behind the cryptocurrency. Examine the market demand and competition. Check for partnerships and adoption rates. Technical analysis. Technical analysis helps you predict future price movements based on historical data. Let's explore some popular indicators and tools used in technical analysis. Candlestick charts and price patterns. Moving averages and trend lines. Relative Strength Index, RSI, and other oscillators. Using support and resistance levels. Next, risk management and exit strategies. Investing in cryptocurrencies carries risks, and it's crucial to have an exit strategy in place. Let's discuss some risk management techniques and when to exit an investment. Set realistic profit targets. Use trailing stop-loss orders. Assess the market sentiment. Stay disciplined and avoid emotional decisions. Congratulations! You've learned some valuable strategies to make money with crypto investments. Remember, success in this space requires continuous learning, adaptability, and patience. Start small, diversify, and always do your research. We hope you found this video helpful. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more informative content. Don't forget to hit the notification bell to stay updated. Until next time, happy investing!